Hello internet world. In today's video I have got a very special unboxing for you. As you can see here, I've got the brand new Insta360 X5 8K 360 action cam plus some accessories as well. Now I purchased all of these from Clifton Cameras. A big shout out to them. They always do a fantastic job with their packaging. Their customer service is just exceptional, and I'm really happy to purchase pretty much all of my camera gear from Clifton Cameras. If you want to purchase this particular product or another camera, then please do check out the links down in the video description. Now before we start unboxing all of this, I'm just going to remove one product from the mix, and that is the DJI Mic Mini. I have already done a video on this product, including an audio test, so I want to ask you to check out the link down in the video description and also on your screen here, and that will take you to the audio test and review of the DJI Mic Mini. So now let's get on with unboxing all this cool tech. This is the Insta360 X5 cooling screen protector. And I just want to take a quick look in the box on this video. I'm not going to install it in this video purely because I like to take my time installing these, and I do it in a different environment. Actually, a bit of a tip for you: if you're installing a screen protector on any piece of tech, I always find that it's really good to install it in a bathroom. Now I know that might sound strange. Obviously don't go dropping your tech in the bath and sort of damaging it. But the reason I do it in a bathroom for installing a screen protector is purely because it's a sort of a damper environment. It's a bit more humid, and that helps with keeping the dust down. And when you're installing a screen protector, dust is not good. So inside the box we get some instructions. We also get a protector application kit. We also get this guide, which we're going to put on the camera. It's like a frame. We put that on the camera, and then that just gives you the aperture there for getting perfect alignment with the screen protector. And then we get the screen protector itself. We also get, what is this? Okay, this is probably for if we need to lift it up. I've not seen one of those before. Let's take a quick look in the instructions. I definitely haven't seen one of those. It's a film removal stick. That's because the screen protector will have a film on it, so that's to remove the film. Then we've also got a scraper as well. Wow. Okay, so we also get this scraper inside the box. So quite a fully featured and different screen protector that I've seen on a product. That's very different. So I'm going to pop that onto my Insta360 X5. I really do recommend screen protectors purely because it's a lot cheaper to replace a screen protector than it is to have a screen replaced or repaired. So this also has cooling properties as well, which is very good. It's got advanced radiative cooling coating, blocking sunlight to limit solar radiation's impact on the camera's temperature. So it has got, apart from the protection, got some cooling properties in it. Very, and I have to say it, cool. This is the Insta360 X5 Utility Frame. Now, more often than not, when I purchase any sort of camera, I normally put it in a cage, or in this case a frame. Not only does it give the camera some protection, but it also helps with mounting accessories on the camera as well. So this is a frame for the new Insta360 X5. You can see on the side here some of the features: full metal protection with a reliable twist lock design, easy access to batteries, which is always good. We've also got a built-in space for a mic windshield to reduce wind noise, and also multiple connection points, including a quick release mount for the Insta360 quick release, and also 1/4 inch mount and cold shoes as well. Inside the box we get the frame, lens cap and some windshields as well. Very cool. So let's take a look inside. So first thing we're presented with is instructions for use. This tells you how to install your camera into the frame and how to use it. Very cool. So let's take a look further down inside the box. So we have got a little bag here. This has got the little foam windshields in it, so that's going to help with wind noise when you're recording. Really nicely packaged, little bit of protection there. And then we've got the frame itself. Oh, that's very high quality. Wow, I love it. I love it. It's even got a serial number engraved on the side. That is a nice frame. So we've obviously got the lens cover just here. We've got this little screw down bit to secure it into the frame. Mounting point on the side. So we've got a 1/4 inch mounting point there. We've got a cold shoe mount on this side, and then back round to this side we've got another cold shoe mount. Then on the bottom we've got another threaded mount, and also the quick release mount, which the Insta360 cameras use. Very, very cool. So this will actually be compatible with the other Insta360 quick release mounts, so really easy to take them on and off. And obviously the lens protector, because it's a 360-degree camera, the lenses are exposed, so it's really nice that they include a lens protector that fits over this frame. Very nice product indeed. I can highly recommend it. So this is the Insta360 X5 8K 360 action camera, and this is the Essentials Bundle. Now you can obviously purchase the camera just by itself. It's also available in other bundles as well. This one I think personally represents the best value for money, because you do get the essentials that you need to get up and running. So let's take a look at the side. This gives you some features of the camera. So we've got 8K 360 video with dual 1/128 inch sensors, also a triple AI chip for low light performance. Shoot first, frame later. Really very, very nice feature, so you haven't got to worry about which way the camera's pointing basically. We've also got invisible selfie stick, so you can hold the camera on a selfie stick, but then in the edit it actually removes the selfie stick, so it looks like you've got your own cameraman. Doesn't show the selfie stick. We've also got flow state stabilization with 360-degree horizon lock. Very cool indeed. Let's take a look around on this side. We've got some more features here. So we have got 5.7K 60 frames per second active HDR video, a new wind guard for clearer audio. They did that on one of their other action cameras actually, and it's very, very effective. Also waterproof to 49 feet or 15 meters. On the app we got AI powered editing, which basically takes the best bits out of all your video clips, edits a video for you very quickly, and also auto backup to cloud with the Insta360 Plus subscription. We take a look round on the back of the box. We have got the main box contents here, but we're not going to run through this because we're going to actually unbox the product and take a look inside. So this does come, when you buy it new, and I did purchase this new, it does come with a shrink wrap clear sort of cellophane film around it. I've already removed that just for ease. Wow, that is nicely presented. I love it when you unbox a product and you straight away feel that it's a really nice quality product. So we've got obviously a case here which you're going to have the camera in and some other accessories. We just pop that off to the side and we'll have a look in this main sort of box compartment. So in here we have got the included selfie stick, so that's very cool. I didn't know that it was branded Siriu or Siriu. I didn't know that was who made these for them, but Insta360 selfie sticks, that's really nice because we're going to obviously need that. I don't think there's anything else underneath there. Let's just double check. No, it is just the selfie stick in that compartment there. Pop it in that way round. So selfie stick to get us up and running. We have got in here, let's have a look inside this little box. Oh right, so we've got the battery. I'm assuming that's the additional battery because this is the essential bundles. It comes with extra batteries. So we've got one battery there in a nice case. User manual in this nice box. Okay, we're not going to read through this. Let's take a very quick look. So inside here we've got some information about flexi care, we've got a quick start guide, safety guidelines, warranty card. Not sure what they are at this stage. Some sort of protector. Got some stickers, lens cap, battery information, instructions about the lens guards, carry case and the fast charge case. So we've basically got instructions about all of the items that are included inside this box, or inside the case I should say. So let's take a look inside the carry case. Really nice carry case first of all. We've got this Velcro piece here, which I assume is space for the selfie stick. So you can slide the selfie stick in there. It's got rubber inside, so it's quite grippy. So I'd imagine, is it elasticated? It is elasticated as well. That's really cool. So you could probably use that for a selfie stick, or indeed one of the other sort of grips that they include. So let's take a look inside here. Oh, that's really nicely presented again. Look at that. So we have got the charger with the 2 compartments for batteries, so we can charge 2 batteries at the same time. And then on this side here we have got the USB-C cable, so that's actually in the charging case, and little LED lights as well, so we're ready to go with 2 batteries all the time. And then we have got the standard lens guards that are included, so we get some lens guards and instructions there. They go over the built-in lenses. You can actually get a lens replacement kit, which is different to the lens guards. So the lens replacement kit is actual lenses that go on here. These are guards to protect the lenses. And then we get the camera itself. Oh, look at that. Very, very cool. So this is purely just an unboxing and first look. Let's take this lens protector off. Do it very carefully. It's quite a tight fit. There we go. So you can see that when you purchase this, it comes stickered up with protectors over the lenses. This is obviously the screen. We have got a battery already inside the product, which comes out like so. So there's a battery already inside there. Pushes back down like so into the side of the camera. We have got power button on the side, quick menu here. We've got a little flap that opens to reveal, if I can get it open, to reveal the USB-C on the bottom there. And we've also got the microphone here and here. We've got a threaded mount on the bottom. We've also got the quick release mount on the bottom as well, and the screen on this side. And then of course, because this is a 360 camera, we turn it round, we've got another lens on this side as well, and a little LED light. So lenses on both sides. How cool is that? So it's a very cool camera with some really creative possibilities. We've also got what feels like some extra bits in there. So let's just pop that back on for now and pop that back in there. Feels like a really well made piece of kit. So this bag or pouch has also got in here, it feels like there's something in here as well. I don't want to miss anything. No, there's nothing in there. So we've got 3 little pockets and this elasticated pouch. Then we've got another pouch inside here, and this has got a polishing cloth to obviously keep the lenses looking nice, and a USB-C charging cable, and an extra little pocket in here as well. So a nice little accessory bag included. Really nice. I think they do this, and it's nice to have it all in extra sort of pouches, because if you've got this in here, I know you've got the lens protector on there, but you don't want to have it anything sort of hitting up against that, so hitting up against the lens and damaging it. So it's all in a really nice case. So that is pretty much it. That's my unboxing and first look at the Insta360 X5 8K 360 degree action camera essentials bundle. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. Check out the links underneath the video, and also please do subscribe. I'll see you in another one very, very soon.